Are you tired of striking out with women? Do you want to know the secrets to instantly becoming more attractive to the opposite sex? Look no further, because we have compiled a list of 21 tricks that you can do today to make yourself more appealing to women. Number 1. Dress to impress. One of the easiest ways to make yourself more attractive to women is by dressing well. Make sure your clothes fit well and are appropriate for the occasion. Number 2. Pay attention to grooming. Women appreciate a man who takes care of himself. Take the time to groom properly, including trimming your facial hair and keeping your nails clean. Number 3. Smile more often. A genuine smile can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Smile often and women will be more drawn to you. Number 4. Make eye contact. When you talk to a woman, make sure to maintain eye contact. It shows confidence and interest. Number 5. Stand up straight. Good posture is a sign of confidence and attractiveness. Stand up straight and make sure your shoulders are back. Number 6. Practice good hygiene. Make sure to brush your teeth, use deodorant, and keep your breath fresh. Bad breath and body odor are major turnoffs. Number 7. Show interest in her. When you're talking to a woman, make sure to ask her questions about herself. Showing genuine interest in her will make you more attractive. Number 8. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting women. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Number 9. Have a sense of humor. Women love a man who can make them laugh. Having a good sense of humor can make you instantly more attractive. Number 10. Be a good listener. Pay attention to what she's saying and respond accordingly. Women appreciate a man who can listen and respond thoughtfully. Number 11. Use touch appropriately. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can be a powerful way to create a connection with a woman. Just make sure to read the situation and use touch appropriately. Number 12. Have a passion. Having a passion or hobby that you're passionate about is attractive to women. It shows that you're interesting and have depth. Number 13. Be kind. Kindness is an attractive trait. Show kindness to everyone, not just the woman you're interested in. Number 14. Be a gentleman. Chivalry isn't dead. Hold the door open, pull out her chair, and offer to pay for the date. It shows that you're thoughtful and respectful. Number 15. Be supportive. Women appreciate a man who is supportive and encouraging. Be there for her and cheer her on in her endeavors. Number 16. Be respectful. Respect her boundaries and opinions. Being respectful shows that you value her as a person. Number 17. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a major turnoff. Make sure to strike a balance between the two. Number 18. Use body language. Body language can be a powerful tool in attracting women. Lean in when you're talking to her and make sure to smile and maintain eye contact. Number 19. Be well-read. Having knowledge about a variety of topics can make you more interesting and attractive to women. Number 20. Learn to dance. Women love a man who can dance. Take a dance class and show off your moves on the dance floor. Number 21. Be spontaneous. Women love a man who can be spontaneous and adventurous. Surprise her with a romantic gesture, a thoughtful gift, or a fun outing or activity. It shows that you're thinking about her and care about her. Be yourself. Above all, be yourself. Thanks for watching.